Yesterday, OpenAI made a big move, releasing not one, but two new AI reasoning models, O3 and O4 Mini. And here's the kicker, people are saying these models perform at or above genius level. If that's true, where's my room temperature superconducting hoverboard already? But seriously, haven't we heard this before? It's déjà vu all over again. In San Francisco, there's a saying, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me 4 times, shame on me. Still, this time might be different. One thing's for sure, OpenAI is releasing updates at a breakneck pace. Just days ago, they dropped GPT 4.1. A few weeks before that, we saw 40 for image generation and even whispers of GPT 4.5. Hopefully the genius level O4 can also help with coming up with less confusing names. Now, a quick reminder, today's spotlight is on O4 Mini, not 40. Keep up! It's April 17, 2025, and this is your code report. These new models are built for reasoning and writing code, perfect timing, because developers are in the middle of a wild arms race. And while everyone's hyped, I've got to say, stop posting comments like this is the future of coding. My guy in the $2 million car keeps following me, and I don't like where this is going. Anyway, the major drop isn't just the models. OpenAI also launched a new open-source CLI tool called Codeex. It's basically OpenAI's take on Claude Code, a tool you run right from your terminal or IDE to write, execute, and analyze code. I decided to give Codeex a spin. To set it up, you install it via npm and drop your OpenAI API key in as an environment variable. After that, you just run the Codeex command and throw in a prompt. I asked it to build something simple, a YouTube clone. But apparently, that wasn't specific enough. Codeex asked for clarification like a client with commitment issues. After a bit of thinking, it asked me to confirm a bunch of actions, and finally, gave me a bunch of empty folders. You could see the code it was trying to write, but nothing actually happened. The culprit? Probably me, using Windows like a true gigachad. Mac users might have better luck. Still, I tried asking it to write Svelte 5 code using runes, and even in 2025, it still couldn't handle it. So for comparison, I ran the same prompt in Claude Code and Firebase Studio. Claude also took its sweet time but managed to run commands on Windows, a small win. But like all the others, it couldn't figure out Svelte 5 runes. It tried, bless its heart, but failed with errors and a broken app. Firebase Studio, on the other hand, was blazing fast. Easily 10x quicker than the rest. But when I asked for Svelte 5 code, it completely ghosted me and gave me Next.js instead. Not cool. Still, as I've said before, if you want smooth sailing as a vibe coder, it's usually safer to just go with mainstream tech like React. But what makes Firebase Studio really shine is how tightly integrated it is. When your IDE and your AI tools live in the same environment, things get a lot smoother. That integration is a game changer. Now let's zoom out. What does all this mean for developers? It's clear there's a full-blown war going on in Silicon Valley for developer mindshare and money. Everyone wants to be the go-to tool for smart, lazy devs who just want to build stuff without writing everything from scratch. The global economy may be teetering, but dev tools? Business is booming. Rumors are even flying that OpenAI is looking to acquire Windsurf, a VS Code fork, for a cool $3 billion. Windsurf. It's just VS Code with a few AI upgrades. Meanwhile, Cursor, another VS Code fork, is pulling in $100 million a year. Microsoft, the OG behind VS Code, isn't sitting still either. They just upgraded GitHub Copilot with something called Agent Mode. It can now create files, run commands, and integrate with protocols and servers, basically becoming a real competitor to tools like Codeex and Claude. But don't sleep on Google. People are calling Gemini 2.5 the best programming model available right now. And Google just launched Firebase Studio, formerly Project IDX, which runs in the browser, generates code with Gemini 2.5, and can host and deploy apps directly. In short, the DevTool ecosystem is more chaotic and competitive than ever. So, is O4 Mini actually a genius? From my hands-on test, not really. But none of the other models are perfect either. They all kind of suck in their own special ways. But here's the truth, don't buy into the genius hype, but also don't listen to the doomers who say AI tools are garbage. The reality is somewhere in the middle. We are living in the most electric time to be a developer. The tools may be flawed, but they're improving fast. Get out there, start shipping AI-infused apps, and embrace the chaos. And if you are building something like a YouTube clone and need to handle video streaming, you'll want to check out MX, today's sponsor. They offer API-first video infrastructure, meaning they handle hosting, encoding, adaptive bit rates, real-time analytics, auto thumbnail generation, and even live streaming. It's customizable, scales from 0 to millions, and companies like Substack, Patreon, and HubSpot are already using it. Check them out for free at mx.com/fireship. This has been the Code Report. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.